हाय खलको अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सो रवानगी शुरू। मैं जा रही हूँ यूके एंड सी यू इन यूके। हाय खलको अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लुक हू आई एम विद। मैं किसके साथ हूँ? My beautiful children, and look my Harimasi. She's in a mood because she just made this house and she wanted me to stay in this house with her.
Caleb's gonna come, but he's not here now.
Okay, tell me. So when you see me, you were happy?
Yeah.
How happy you were?
So happy, 100%.
100%. I thought 1,000,000%.
No, it's infinity.
Life without family. चलो, उसको गुस्सा आ गया, अपना पूरा घर तोड़ दिया. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Come on. Come on, Harimo. पूरे का पूरा घर बनाया था ऐसे इसने, और वो इसने तोड़ दिया क्योंकि इसको है कि सुमो किसी और के साथ बात ना करे. नाफिया तैयार हो रही है. बैड न्यूज़ आ गया था. मैं रात को 1 बजे घर पहुंची. सिद्दीक मुझे लेने के लिए आया था. मैं इतनी थकी हुई थी कि मैंने कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. बच्चे बड़े एक्साइटेड थे. इधर मलीहा, नाफिया, सारे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन सब. पर 1:30 तक बच्चे जाग रहे थे. 1:30 हम घर पहुंचे क्योंकि मोटरवे पे बहुत रोड वर्क हो रहा था और काफ़ी लेट 4-5 घंटों में हम घर पहुंचे. बच्चों के साथ फिर बस यूं हो रही थी, लेकिन गपशप लगाई. फिर हम तकरीबन 3 बजे सोए और फिर नमाज के लिए उठी. फिर मैं सो गई और अभी 10:30 फिर उठी. लेकिन जब नमाज के लिए उठी तो एक अच्छी न्यूज़ नहीं आई. मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त गुलनाज की मम्मी वफ़ात पा गई अचानक. बेचारी बहुत ही नाइस औरत थी. आप सब भी उनके लिए दुआ करना. अल्लाह ताला उनको जन्नत फिरदौस में जगह दे और उनको बहुत आला मकाम दे. और मेरी जो दोस्त है गुलनाज, उसकी और उसकी फैमिली को अल्लाह सब्र दे. बहुत क्लोज थी वो अपनी माँ के साथ. तो कुछ ज़्यादा प्लेजेंट मॉर्निंग नहीं थी. अभी मैंने कपड़े वपड़े बदले और मैं और नाफिया जा रहे हैं. हालांकि थकान बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन खैर मैं तो जा रही थी गुलनाज के घर. लेकिन पता चला कि वो डेथ सर्टिफिकेट और ये लेने की ली गई है हॉस्पिटल. तो मैं कहा चलो फिर मस्जिद में सब ताज़ियत के लिए जा रहे हैं. ताज़ियत कहते हैं मेरे ख़्याल में, ताज़ियत कहते हैं. दुआ तो खैर जनाजे के बाद होगी. तो आज तो मैं और नाफिया रेडी हो रही है. मैंने तो जल्दी वुदू किया. मैं कहा चलो चलते हैं. तो वहाँ पे जाते हैं. फिर वहाँ से आके दिल गुलनाज के लिए बहुत खफा हुआ. उसको कॉल किया तो बहुत रोई. आवाज़ उसकी अच्छी नहीं थी उसके लिए. लेकिन ये आंटी जो हम उसको खाला जमीला कहते थे, वो बहुत ही अच्छी औरत थी, बहुत ही मुलायम तबीयत की. वो और उसकी बड़ी बहन सलामत आंटी दोनों मेरे साथ बहुत क्लोज थी. प्लीज़ उनके लिए दुआ करना, जमीला खाला के लिए, कि अल्लाह ताला उनको बहुत हाई जगह दे जन्नत फिरदौस में, हम सब की माँ बाप समेत. और जो भी गुजरे हैं इस दुनिया से चले गए उनके लिए आमीन सुबह आमीन. तो मैं बच्चों के लिए नाफिया रेडी हो रही. मैं बच्चों के लिए फ्रायर में रख दिया है चिप्स और नगेट्स, वो बना रही हूँ. तो मैं कहा चलो थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा क्लिप बनाती हूँ, फिर नाफिया के साथ और मलिया के साथ गपशप लगा के ये ब्लॉग पोस्ट करूँगी. सी यू लेटर.
Hi Khalko. You just say hi Khalko. Okay, hi Khalko, it's Malia. If you don't know who Malia is, I'm Sabia's daughter. And oh my goodness, I haven't had sleep in many days, so I have like severe baggage going on under my eyes. But I've checked my luggage. That wasn't funny, was it? No? Okay, bye. Basically, Mama said, how did you feel when I came through the doors? I was gonna say of Jannah, but it wasn't of Jannah.
Why now?
Okay, it wasn't of Jannah.
Your mother feet go Jannah.
You have. And when she came through the door, my insides were shaking.
How many
I was in disbelief that this woman is in this house in front of me. And it was really funny because me and Nafi were trying to do this sign thing because we couldn't find the welcome sign. So the W's were the M's, and we quickly, could you see whatever? So we were trying to say welcome home mama, but there wasn't enough letters in the thingy. So we just put welcome. And then and then when she came in, all her favorite foods, everything was just ready, and she cried so much. She said, I didn't miss anyone but you, Malia. Like, Malia, you
The
make...
last bit is very true, very true.
She was crying, and I was like, Mama, it's okay. I have this effect on so many people, but it's okay. Like, I know how you feel, okay? And then the whole night, like, she was just crying, saying that I'm in disbelief that Malia's in front of me because I was dreaming about you, thinking about you when I'd wake up, go to sleep, eat, go to the toilet, and yeah, basically, I was like, I have this effect on people, right, Naf? Yeah, Nafia agrees.
Nafia.
But let me tell you, she's our older sister. So basically, let me just say, I know why you feel this way about me, because I quickly made her food that Iqbal cooked.
Now she's
but let me just tell you, Iqbal cooks some pang food, bro.
Oh
so his food is something else, mashallah.
Yeah.
And then, but I fed you with my own beautiful tiny fingers.
That's true.
That I've washed, okay, so they're completely
and she
fine.
massaged me. Oh.
And then I massaged Mama's feet.
And then I go to sleep.
Like really,
massage.
I was on steroids, so the grip and the strength within these man hands are unbelievable.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I massaged her feet, and then I put her beautiful head on my bosom.
That's true.
And and I massaged and massaged, and
that's true.
Then she was crying even more, and I was like, Mama, just enough. Mama, enough with the crying. She just kept crying, saying, I love you, Malia, I love you. I don't like any of my other kids, I just love you.
Now turn the camera to this one. Now how you feel when you see me?
Nafi, you are ill.
I know.
Get your air. No, Dane. Can I tell you, we've been circulating the same exact air, so this doesn't matter. Whatever happens.
I don't remember
third one
how
is not
you
here.
said.
Sumo is not here, but Sumaya is coming, inshallah.
You don't remember how I said?
4 days time.
I don't remember how you said it.
It was, Mama, she wasn't only crying. There was like, no, she wasn't only crying. What Nafi means is there was more than crying. She was shaking as well. And she was like,
yeah, she was shaking. She was shaking because she did it through 24-hour flight.
Yeah.
No. She said that I would travel for 7 days if it means seeing your face, Malia. And I was just like, I know,
You know,
Mama.
all my brothers and sisters, I wish I had their confidence.
Yeah.
They've gone to my dad. Actually, my mum as well.
My mom as well. Yeah. Both of us. Overconfident people.
I have to pray now.
But Nafia, one thing for Nafia is very hard to lie.
I try.
What does that mean? Like I lie so easily.
Nafia. Tata single
You look so cute. Can I tell you, this is so strange, Nafia. I need to say this off camera, maybe.
No, just say it. Say it.
No, because you're gonna kill me. No, you're gonna kill me. It's very dirty, and there might be some kids. Sorry.
She's been saying
But can I tell you, Mama, you went like this. Wait. You went like this, and Nafia went.
You need to stop studying.
Yeah. Since she started.
Can I tell you? Look at the bags underneath my eyes. That's study. I've been going to sleep at 5, waking up at 8. Look at this.
Inshallah, she's becoming a barrister now. And Nafu?
Are you becoming a barrister?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, I underestimated you. I thought you were going to be some stupid solicitor.
No, she is already a solicitor. She's going to become barrister.
Okay, so if any one of you are locked up, or she need actually not locked up because she doesn't do crime.
I don't do crime.
She does money.
Well, it is criminal money, isn't it? Corporate. Yeah,
but you're working on the side that gets
yeah,
all
no,
the
it
money,
isn't
innit?
really criminal. It's more like, corporate
Fraud.
property type of stuff.
Any of you money laundering? Clear it up, okay?
Yeah, just hit me up. I'll help you. I've done immigration, which I feel like most of you will now. I've done immigration, but I find it very boring.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, enough about my studying, because that's the only thing that I've been doing every single day. Yesterday I submitted.
So I'm here now with Nafia and Maliha and inshallah Sumayya soon, and it's a black cat outside, and
That's very bad luck.
She's very astaghfirullah, that's guna.
Is
Very
it?
fat.
Yeah,
The back.
it is. The black cat was so
Mama
nice.
said 15 times, are we going to someone's house? Are we going to someone's house?
Who said?
Mama.
So
whole house.
inshallah we're going to the to my friend for taziyat now, and then when I come back, stop it. Then inshallah we're gonna make the remaining vlog. Allah, hey, hey, hey.
I love you,
She's
Mama.
so dirty.
I'm so dirty, but I'm only dirty for you. Huh?
Funeral khona dekha na.
She's never been through funeral, but she's seen people die every day in her career, and she's maybe killed
You
some
know
people.
what?
She's
Because
saved some
Nafia
people. She's
knows the auntie very
you know
well.
death. Can I tell
And
you?
that's why she's
I've
been-
never seen a dead body in my life.
Astaghfirullah, bachcha shamari dead khabari makawa.
They don't look.
I feel really sad about this lady
You know,
as
that-
well, though,
that
because she's so
generation
nice.
is nearly
She reminded
gone.
me of my own grandmother, so
Yeah,
I really like.
she was such a nice lady.
May Allah
Very nice
grant her
lady.
the highest rank in Jannah,
I think
inshallah.
in whole Cardiff she was
lovely.
a lovely lady. Yeah.
22 is 40.
And she always gives so much love to my girls, especially.
Because we didn't have our grandmother.
In your wedding, she always sit
Yeah.
with my children.
We do have one grandmother, but she hates us. So the other one, we didn't see Mama's
The other
mama.
one die, and the one is alive. She don't want to know my children.
They do say though, evil people have a very long life.
Baska.
I'm only joking.
So yeah, I'm waiting for now.
No, can I just tell you? They say people that are like,
What's double?
I wouldn't say the people that. I'm just digging myself a grave right now, right? I'll just be quiet. They say the good people die quickly, don't you? I don't know.
I don't know. People say that, but I think it's everybody got their own time. Okay, and we going, and inshallah. I'll be
So
back
I
making-
wanted to go, but apparently I'm babysitting.
Yeah, she's babysitting. No, but her granddaughter, Auntie.
Iqbal wanted to go.
Yeah, Iqbal wanted to go as well because
I did
that
want to go
lady,
because Sana's my friend. You know what I mean?
Jamila Khala, well known in our family, so
we have
yeah.
to take all them then.
But she have to babysit, and her granddaughter is Malia's used to be Malia's best friend, so she need to go for Auntie Gulnaz.
I even missed you slapping my face. Just do it again.
Oh, I miss these girls so much.
No, you just missed me. Say only me.
No, honestly, you're my baby girl, innit? So yeah, I always I go, hey.
Do you know what people hate? Sometimes, no, some people were really upset that I kiss you on your lips,
Why?
and just because of this.
I don't know about people, but I get upset when she kisses me on the lips.
I love you.
Okay, see you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so skinny. Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Wait, let me just see this area.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh
She's
my
tiny.
god, she's tiny.
She's tiny.
You know this diet work.
Tiny. Oh, she's just wasting. Well, look at the wastage.
We lost so much. She's like, it's nothing to you. Oh, I'm so sorry. नाफिया ने नई कार ली है, रेंज रोवर इज इट? ये रेंज रोवर ली है और माशाल्लाह मैं फर्स्ट टाइम बैठी हूँ इस कार में. अल्लाह ताला इसके लिए मुबारक करे और उन सब बच्चों को दे दे जिनको ख्वाहिश है, क्योंकि नाफिया को 1-2 साल से रेंज रोवर सर पे चढ़ा हुआ था कि मैंने रेंज रोवर लेना है. पहले इसके पास ऑडी था, तो माशाल्लाह उसकी कार में फ़र्स्ट टाइम बैठी हूँ. और आप सबके लिए भी दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला आप सबकी भी ख्वाहिशें पूरी कर दे. करना नाफिया? आमीन आमीन आमीन. जा रहे हैं मस्जिद, क्योंकि घर में नहीं, दुआ तो खैर नहीं है, लेकिन ताज़ियत के लिए तो घर में वहाँ जा रहे हैं. ताज़ियत इज़ लाइक कंडोलेंस. देन जनाजा तो अब पता चलेगा कि कब है, तो क्योंकि क्लोज हैं, तो जब तक जनाजा नहीं होता तब तक तो यहीं पे है. मेरे ख्याल में टाइमिंग मुकर्रर होंगी, यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा या घर पे. तो बस मलिहा और बच्चे घर में हैं, दीना सिद्दीक वगैरह आ रहे हैं, फिर मैं अपने घर जा रही हूँ. और अपने घर में नाफिया इन पेन, इसकी भी थोड़ी तबीयत ठीक हो जाएगी तो फिर ढेर सारे व्लॉग बनाएंगे. मैं भी बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. So I'm home now. and it's second day I'm home now, and my sweetheart,
Oh.
my son visit me, bring me some
yeah,
meat,
Son.
some Asian grocery, but I ran out with vegetable. Mali is doing as the shopping he did.
Mama say
I'm
vegetable.
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 Vegetable. Vegetable. I'm lazy with words, I know.
Vegetable.
But it's good to be real. I'm real.
There's an extra syllable there. Vegetable.
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 Vegetable. I know what to, like if I talk to English people, then I say vegetable. But if I talk to my
Say it
own
again.
children, then I say
Vegetable.
vegetable. Then I say vegetable. Like, you know, when we talk among each other, I say America.
America.
America. And when I
America.
talk to my English friends, I say America.
Oh.
So this is real me, America.
America. Alright, let's
And
go.
doesn't matter wherever you live in UK, you say I live in London. So when you introduce yourself to in Pakistan, you say, oh, where you live? I live in London. Wherever I go, I buy stuff. So Sidi gonna take this with me now. My son is helping me with